Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Discovering Success, Uncover Your Purpose, Passion and Path. Lecture 2. Reflecting on Personal Values and Beliefs. Defining Success. The role of personal values. Assessing personal values and beliefs. Aligning values with long-term goals. The impact of values on decision-making. Finding resolutions to values conflicts. Conclusion. Embracing personal values for success. Setting goals for course and personal growth. Success is often defined by external factors such as wealth, status, and power. But what if we shifted our focus inward to our personal values? What if success was defined by how well we align our actions with our beliefs? Personal values play a crucial role in defining success. They guide our decision-making, shape our relationships, and provide a sense of purpose and fulfillment. By reflecting on our values and aligning them with our long-term goals, we can create a roadmap for success that is authentic and meaningful. Assessing personal values and beliefs. Reflecting on our personal values and beliefs is a crucial step in defining success. Our values shape our decisions, our relationships, and our overall sense of purpose. Take a moment to think about what truly matters to you. What are the principles that guide your actions? What motivates you to pursue your goals? Consider the following questions as you reflect on your personal values. What brings you joy and fulfillment? What do you stand for? What are your non-negotiables? How do your values align with your long-term goals and aspiration? By taking that time to assess your personal values and beliefs, you can gain greater clarity and direction in your pursuit of success. Aligning values with long-term goals. Aligning personal values with long-term goals is essential for achieving greater fulfillment and success. When our values are in line with our aspirations, we are more motivated to work towards them and feel a sense of purpose in doing so. For example, if one of your core values is helping others, aligning that value with a long-term goal of becoming a doctor can lead to a fulfilling career, where you are able to make a positive impact on people's lives every day. On the other hand, if your values conflict with your goals, such as valuing work-life balance but pursuing a career that requires long hours and constant stress, you may find yourself feeling unfulfilled and unhappy. Despite achieving success by traditional standards, the impact of values on decision-making. Our personal values play a significant role in shaping our decision-making process. They act as guiding principles that help us navigate through life's challenges and opportunities. When we make decisions that align with our values, we can experience inner turmoil and dissatisfaction. Values conflicts can arise when we are faced with difficult choices that require us to prioritize one value over another. For example, if the value of honesty conflicts with the value of loyalty, we may struggle to decide whether to tell the truth or protect a friend. In such situations, it is important to reflect on our values and consider the long-term consequences of our decisions. By doing so, we can find a resolution that aligns with our core values and leads to greater fulfillment. Finding resolutions to values conflicts. Values conflicts can arise when our personal values clash with the values of others or with external factors such as societal norms or workplace culture. Identifying these conflicts is the first step towards finding resolutions. It's important to take time to reflect on what values are truly important to you and why. This self-reflection can help you better understand where conflicts may arise and how to address them. One strategy for finding resolutions to values conflicts is to seek common ground. One strategy for finding resolutions to values conflicts is to seek common ground. By identifying shared values and focusing on areas of agreement, it may be possible to find a solution that aligns with both parties' values. Another approach is to prioritize your values and determine which ones are a non-negotiable. This can help you make decisions that are in alignment with your core values, even if they conflict with other values or external factors. Conclusion. Embracing personal values for success. In conclusion, we have explored the importance of personal values in defining and achieving success. By aligning our values with our long-term goals and aspirations, we can find greater fulfillment and purpose in our lives. Our eyes and provided strategies for finding resolutions to these conflicts. It is important to Remember that embracing our personal values is an ongoing process that requires self-reflection and introspection. As you move forward on your own journey towards success, I encourage you to embrace your personal values and let them guide you towards a fulfilling and meaningful life.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.